spark plug boot, and then rotate the blade around to where the oil drain plug is exposed. That's a 3/8 inch square. Like, put a 3/8 inch ratchet in there and then take the oil out. Now you have to prop it up with something. I'm gonna try using a toolbox and a jack stand. Alright, so once you have it popped up, put a drain pan. Okay, so I have the oil cap on right now, but you want to take this off and hold the lawnmower so it doesn't spin. So once you get towards the end, and just let all the oil drain out. Now you can put the drain plug back in, and then just tighten it up with the ratchet. There you go. It doesn't have to be real tight. Now you can reconnect your spark plug and set your mower down. Then, gotta put it on. It's always better to underfill than to overfill. Or not. I think this takes about a half a quart. To check it, you have to wipe off the dipstick and stick it in there. When you pull it out, see it's about a little bit over the low mark. So just keep putting oil in until it's about at the full mark. So now you can see it's right below the full mark. It's right at the full mark. So check for leaks under it, and then after you run it, check for leaks, and you're done.